Since most people have never been taught how to shop for a home loan, they think transactionally. They ask, what is today's rate and can I get a better deal? Our first thought is, a great rate on the wrong loan is not a good deal. Sadly, millions of Americans had the wrong loan during the last recession. After the housing crash, the government changed home loans and the process of getting one. The loan evaluator stage is where we share better ways to compare loans, explain how pricing trade-offs work, and discuss what you're eligible for and help you see which choice is a best fit. The major components of this stage are eligibility, suitability, and then the math behind choosing the best option. Think of eligibility and suitability in terms of a clothing analogy. Eligible means the suit is your size. Suitable means it looks good on you. Which loans you are eligible for will depend on many factors, including your income, time on the job, your credit score, how much you're borrowing compared to how much the house is worth, past credit challenges, etc. There's a lot that goes into it. Just because a client is eligible for a certain loan doesn't mean it's a wise choice. We all know people we care about who got hurt in the last decade because they had the wrong loan. Even within a particular loan type, there are decisions to be made about closing costs, lenders' credits, etc. The key is to consider only loans that support the goals identified in the Optimized Life conversation and that are in alignment with the Financial Matrix review. The three most important questions when evaluating appropriate choices are, what does each option cost? How will each one affect my monthly cash flow? And what is the long-term wealth impact of one choice versus another? After 20 years of helping people with home loans, we've found most people struggle with the mathematical side of comparing before versus after or different loan choices. What we've found is it is much easier for them when the math is put into a chart or picture. An easy-to-read graphic makes it much easier to communicate how a reverse mortgage solves cash flow problems, or the payment and interest savings from a refinance, or different purchase loan choices, or even the payment shock that may be hiding within an old home equity line of credit. Let's face it, confusion leads to inaction. Helping you understand your choices, which allows you to make a good decision, is one of the most important things we do. The process is fun when it's understandable. Click the button to schedule a complimentary consultation.